Hello, my dear students. In this video, I am going to explain you some questions based on formulae of inverse trigonometric functions. In my earlier video, इसके पहले जो वीडियो बनाया है, in that video I had explained clearly about the formulae of inverse trigonometric function and how will you use the same thing also I told. But here I am going to solve some questions using that formulae. So better you watch the previous video, then you try to solve the questions. Before that, before solving this one, because this question is there, just you watch the video till the end and subscribe. Also, if you like the content, you subscribe the channel. That is Study Bright for mathematics, especially from class 9th onwards. So that is the beneficial for you. Now the question is, I have taken the reference of this book, Understanding ISC Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. Here the exercise 2.2, inverse trigonometric function, and question number 7, and this part is 6th in question number 7. I told some questions before in my previous video. In this question, you have to prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus cot inverse 4 is equal to tan inverse 16 by 30. Why I have taken this question? इसके पहले भी questions हैं, but that was very simple. In this question, the different thing, there are the two, this first term, that is not only tan inverse, this is 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. 2 tan inverse 1 by 3, you cannot use directly this formula. इसका यूज करने के लिए दो तरीके हैं. या तो हम इसको ब्रेक करें tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. तो that will be lengthy. मतलब एक बार करके उसको करें. The second thing I told you in the formula, that is 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. You can use this formula, so you will get tan inverse 2 into x means 1 by 3 upon 1 minus x square means 1 by 9. Plus this also you have to change in the same thing, same tan inverse. क्यों? क्योंकि different function का addition नहीं है. तुम्हें add करना है. If you have the different numbers, तो you must have the same inverse trigonometric function. So cot inverse easily you can change into the tan inverse by using this formula. Cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 upon x. So use this formula, tan inverse 1 by 4. Simplifying, you will get this one plus tan inverse 1 by 4. Now after getting this part, tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 upon 4, you can use this formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x. So x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Okay, in place of x 3 by 4, in place of y 1 by 4. When you simplify, you will get such type 1 upon 13 by 16. And this 16 will go in numerator, 16 upon 13. This is proved. So by this way, you can prove the questions. But before proving or before solving, you must know all the formulae of the inverse trigonometric function. Now one question from question number 8. This is the part 4th. Question number 8 part 4th is there. You have to prove that tan inverse 1 by 3 plus sec inverse root 5 by 2 is equal to, you have to show pi by 4. ये भी एक different question है, that's why I have taken this question. In this you can see there is cot inverse और tan inverse का. यहाँ पे entirely different tan inverse and sec inverse. You have to change any one into the another inverse trigonometric function by using the conversion property. conversion property I had explained in my previous video. You can watch, you will get about how to convert. But I'll explain here also the something. Sec inverse you can change in tan inverse. लेकिन क्या tan inverse को sec inverse में नहीं किया? Yes, you can do, but there is no formula of sec inverse x plus sec inverse y. That is why you change sec inverse into tan inverse. So how to change? You will let here sec inverse root 5 by 2 is equal to theta. This is the method how to change. जो भी change करना हो is equal to theta ले ले. Then sec inverse will go in the right hand side. You will get sec theta is equal to root 5 by 2. And then use trigonometry ratio. जो हमने 9th क्लास में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा 10th 9th 10th में, वही चीज इसमें भी करनी. This is theta. Formula of sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is root 5 and base is 2. So by Pythagoras theorem that is 1. No need to show the solution. Solution दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, because solution जो calculation होता है, calculation is not the part of the solution. Means you will not lose your marks. इसको अगर हम साइड में करके बस ये कि ये is, but that should be correct. ये correct होना चाहिए. अब हम अब इसमें से क्या you can find the tan theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So what will be the theta? Tan inverse 1 by 2. Means in place of theta you can write tan inverse 1 by 2. अब ये वैल्यू की जगह इस वैल्यू को रखा जा सकता है. Now you put here left hand side. It is proved that. So it is tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 2. Okay. After showing this one, you can put here and use now the same formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to. अभी हमने बताया था उस फॉर्मूले को you have to write. You have to write the formula. अगर नहीं लिखेंगे तो दो चीजें होंगी. tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. If you will not write the formula, then there will be the two things. पहला कि ठीक से फॉर्मूले समझ में नहीं आएंगे, लर्न भी नहीं होंगे, लर्न वैसे भी नहीं किए जाते हैं, इसी तरह लिख लिख करके ही लर्न किए जाते हैं जब हम फॉर्मूले का यूज हो और उसमें then you have to this tan inverse x plus y upon, and the second thing you will lose your marks क्योंकि फॉर्मूले नहीं लिखेंगे तो किस फॉर्मूले से क्या आया, that also the same thing. So you have to use the formula 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. So is equal to 5 by 6 after LCM, and simplifying you will get tan inverse 1. After getting tan inverse 1, कैसे ये पाई by 4 है? As you know the 1 जो 1 होता है वो tan की टेबल में कब होता है? tan pi by 4, and this tan inverse cancel pi by 4. आप ये कहेंगे कि सर इसमें तो 1 और भी में भी होता है, 1 मतलब कि आगे भी होता है, तो कैसे फिर होगा? 180 प्लस 45 कर दें तो 225 में होगा. बट इट शुड बिलोंग्स टू द डोमेन ऑफ रेंज ऑफ द tan इनवर्स फंक्शन जो माइनस पाई बाई 2 से पाई बाई 2 के बीच में होता है. तो दैट इज द आंसर. देन यू गेट द पाई बाई 4 एंड इट इज प्रूव्ड. अब some questions based on solve for x. अब कुछ क्वेश्चन जिसमें solve for x है ना, how to find the solve for x by using only formula. But there are the questions. I'll tell you the different question, that is question number 12. How to solve, how to find the value of x. There are the questions, different question, बहुत सारे questions हैं, but I'll tell you the different one जिसमें problem होती है. Sin inverse 8 upon x plus sin inverse 15 upon x is equal to pi by 2. It is solved for x. x के लिए solve करें. If you will apply the formula of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, then it will be, क्योंकि ये पता है फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square. This is the formula. If you will apply here in the left hand side, it will be very lengthy and complicated. Maybe you don't get the answer. मतलब कहीं पे हो सकता है ना भी पाए. तो in that case you apply the trick. When you have, you listen carefully. इसको बहुत ध्यान से सुने कि when you have the stand, you have to find the value of x and you have the standard angle in the right hand side. जैसे pi by 2 हो गया, pi by 4 हो गया, pi by 6 हो गया, 2 pi हो गया, 3 pi by 2 हो गया, means standard angle. जैसे pi by 8 है तो that is another thing. लेकिन pi by 4 है, pi by 6 है, pi by 2 है, 3 pi by 4 है, anything. These are called the standard angles. Then one value, one term you take in the right hand side. So you will get pi by 2 minus sin inverse 15 by x. ऐसा इसलिए हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेशन कम हो जाएगा. मीन्स यू विल फील इजी. कैसे? इस साइन इनवर्स को आप उधर ले जाओ तो व्हाट यू विल गेट, साइन पाई बाय 2 माइनस साइन इनवर्स 15 अपॉन x. देन डू यू नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ साइन 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा. यूज दिस फॉर्मूला हियर. cos in bracket length. बट हमने भी बताया था इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में कि हाउ टू कन्वर्ट, क्योंकि these two cannot be cancelled. These the two inverse trigonometric function, मतलब कि अगर एक इनवर्स है और एक डिफरेंट है तो यू कैन नॉट, बट द सेम एक इनवर्स है एंड द सेम trigonometric function you are multiplying, तो you can cancel in the given range of the function. मतलब ये होता है. तो in this case the sin inverse you can write as cos inverse under root 1 minus 225 by x square. How it is possible? क्यों? क्योंकि फॉर्मूला होता है साइन इनवर्स थीटा इज इक्वल, वो साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू कॉस इनवर्स अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स 15 बाई एक्स, तो यहां पे 15 बाई एक्स मीन्स 225 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर. नाउ यू कैन कैंसिल इट एंड यू विल गेट 8 बाई एक्स is equal to under root 1 minus 225 by x square. Then can you simplify? Yes, you can. क्योंकि अब स्क्वायर करना है और सिंप्लीफाई करना है, तो टेकिंग स्क्वायर बोथ द साइड्स, so it will be 64 by x square 1 minus 225 by x square. Taking square both the sides, and then this taking this side plus 225 by x square is equal to 1. So what you will get? 549 by x square is equal to 1, or x square is equal to 289. Okay, and 289 is equal to 1. So x is equal to x square. So x is equal to under root 289 plus minus, so it will be 17. So what is the value? Plus 17 or minus 17 or both? Only plus 17. But the question is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 comes in the first quadrant और ये साइन इनवर्स में था, इस वजह से इसको हम 17 लेंगे, सिर्फ प्लस 17. So this is the answer. Now, one question, just I'm going to tell you, ये भी थोड़ा सा अलग है, but it is very simple and logical. Question number 17. 4 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi. Means you have to solve for x again, but using this equation. How to find? सबसे पहले आपको पता है कि एक फॉर्मूला बताया था हमने, cos इनवर्स x प्लस साइन इनवर्स x इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 2. ये बताया था. कैन यू राइट दिस पार्ट एज 3 साइन इनवर्स x प्लस साइन इनवर्स x प्लस cos इनवर्स x इज इक्वल टू पाई? कैन यू राइट दिस वन? इस 4 साइन इनवर्स x को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? Yes, you can. Now this part, using that formula, 3 sin inverse x plus pi by 2 is equal to pi. So 3 sin inverse x is equal to pi minus pi by 2. So it will be 3 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And when you solve it, what you will get? Sin inverse x is equal to pi by 6. This sin inverse take that side, so x is equal to sin pi by 6. So x is equal to sin pi by 6 means 1 upon 2. This is the value of x. So by this way you can solve the logical as well as the traditional questions as well. So in this exercise the such type of questions only there. So you can find. Now I end up this video. And stay home, be safe, as you know why I'm saying this one. So thank you so much.